Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna see the book summary of masterpiece book The Alchemist, written by very well-known author Paulo Coelho. So the story is based on one shepherd boy named Santiago. He likes to read bulkier books so that after completing the whole read he can use them as a pillow. But he believes that he learned more from his ships than the books. One day he had a dream of the treasure. For interpretation of his dream, he went to one witch, and that witch tells him that in Egypt there is a treasure for the shepherd. But in order to travel to Egypt, boy must need to sell his ships to concentrate enough money for his travel. I don't wanna tell whole story here. I want you to go and read whole book on your own. But the thing is, throughout his journey, he faces many difficulties and he was so determined for the treasure, therefore he worked hard and finally he reaches to his treasure. I want to share with you one story from the book. The name of the story is Two Drops of Oil. A merchant sent his son to learn the secret of happiness from the wisest of men. The young man wandered through the desert for 40 days until he reached a beautiful castle at the top of a mountain. There lived the sage that the young man was looking for. However, instead of finding a holy man, our hero entered a room and saw a great deal of activity. Merchants coming and going, people chatting in the corners, a small orchestra playing sweet melodies, and there was a table laden with the most delectable dishes of that part of the world. The wise man talked to everybody, and the young man had to wait for 2 hours until it was time for his audience. The sage listened attentively to the reason for the boy's visit, but told him that at that moment he did not have the time to explain to him the secret of happiness. He suggested that the young man take a stroll around his palace and came back in 2 hours. However, I want to ask you a favor, he added, handing the boy a teaspoon in which he poured 2 drops of oil. While you walk, carry this spoon and don't let the oil spill. The young man began to climb up and down the palace staircases, always keeping his eyes fixed on the spoon. At the end of 2 hours, he returned to the presence of the wise man. So, asked the sage, "Did you see the Persian tapestries hanging in my dining room? Did you see the garden that the master of gardeners took 10 years to create? Did you notice the beautiful parchments in my library?" Embarrassed, the young man confessed that he had seen nothing. His only concern was not to spill the drops of oil that the wise man had entrusted to him. "So go back and see the wonders of my world," said the wise man. "You can't trust a man if you don't know his house." Now, more at ease, the young man took the spoon and strolled again through the palace, this time paying attention to all the works of art that hung from the ceiling and walls. He saw the gardens, the mountains all around the palace, the delicacy of the flowers, the taste with which each work of art was placed in its niche. Returning to the sage, he reported in detail all that he had seen. "But where are the 2 drops of oil that I entrusted you?" asked the sage. Looking down at the spoon, the young man realized that he had spilled the oil. "Well, that is the only advice I have to give you," said the sage of sages. "The secret of happiness lies in looking at all the wonders of the world and never forgetting the 2 drops of oil in the spoon." So, as you can see, Paulo Coelho is known for telling story with some psychological prospects. The whole story is written in such manner that we all can relate to. You will find sentences which will make you completely fascinated in every page of this book. Especially, I am big fan of Paulo Coelho. There's so much learning and understanding in his every book. If you are a beginner, then this is the best book for you to jump into amazing book world.